This is how we normally use the pre-recorded call feature. Like this.
CQ contest, Bravo Delta 7 Lima Lima Yankee.
Or this. And this. Not only is it cumbersome, but it blocks other data on the screen that needs to be observed. At this point we just need this keypad. It has up to 8 storage channels. And can be used in 3 modes: SSB, CW, and RTTY. Just plug in the supplied cable and use it. First we have to go to Settings in the menu, select Connector, then click on External Keypad, and turn these on. Next, we'll use the keypad to send a pre-stored voice. In SSB mode we click on Voice and then click on Scope to go back to the screen. Then we press M1 on the keypad to send the signal.
CQ contest, Bravo Delta 7 Lima Lima Yankee, CQ contest.
Recording is accomplished by tapping Voice and then Record. There are 8 memory channels from T1 through T8, which correspond to M1 through M8 on the keypad. Now, let's switch to CW mode, click on the keyer, click on the scope, and then press M1 on the keyboard to send the signal. Finally, let's switch to RTTY mode for demonstration, click Decode, and then directly click M1 on the keypad to send the signal. If you want to use the keypad on these devices, you can refer to the instructions in the manual, such as the IC7300 like this. Thanks for watching. You can buy it directly from the official website or check your nearest reseller.